Hi guys, it's Christina Connolly, and today I'm walking you through the district's K-12 digital streaming platform, Swank. To access the Swank program, I'll come to Staff Resources, go to District Links, and alphabetically at the bottom, I'll find the link for Swank. Note that this is a district-specific link, so you'll need to use this exact link when trying to access the program. Once I click it, I'm going to be taken to the sign-in page, and you can sign in with your district Google credentials. Once I'm all signed in, I'm going to be taken to the main page. Here you'll see two categories. One is licensed content, and below is the Swank catalog. Anything in licensed content can be watched immediately without any approval process. Let me go and view all of our titles here. And if I find one that I'd like to watch, I can click it, and you'll see below I have the option right here to watch the movie, watch the trailer, or share a link that you can actually send to your students. This link will not give our students access to the Swank program. They will not be able to sign in and access the entire catalog, but they will be able to view the entirety of the film using this link that you can copy and then share out any way that you would like, such as your Google Classroom. When I'm watching the movie, I have the option to put on the closed captions over here in the lower right so that I can show closed captions in a variety of different languages. And looking below in the Swank catalog, there may be some films that are not immediately available. So coming to the See All button, let's take a look at what's here. And let's say this is a movie that I would like to view with my students. I can use this button here, Request, to send a request to have this title added to the library. And just so you know, we are limited in the number of requests per year. However, your administrator will be able to determine whether the request can be approved or not. So I can click Request and complete the request form that pops up, making sure that I add in my course name and the academic use or how it aligns to the curriculum. And when I'm all done with the form, I can click Send, and you'll wait for the approval process. It could take up to 3 business days for your school principal to receive the request and approve it, and for Swank to add the movie to our catalog and make it available. Coming back to my home page, you'll also notice the option to filter your titles, so you can look for things that are licensed or unlicensed, specific languages, ratings, when it was released, and so on. Finally, you'll notice on the left-hand side any title requests you've made, a help button, some options for your profile, and the ability to log out. I hope you enjoy using Swank's digital streaming service. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks and have a great day.